Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this strobe text effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so first I'm going to go to library and select the black screen to the track and select text, default text and adjust for duration. Assembly. I'm going to change for text. For example, sorry. I'm going to change for font style. Alright, run, select the clip, sorry, select the clip and right click, select create component clip. Go to effect, select video effect, select nightclub and select the colors Strobe, and this is the final effect you have on your text. Right, it's awesome. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.